Well, I am sorry, guys, that I did not do two spawners. Also, oh no, I'll show it when we have the next, when it's 2022. I know. Yeah, but when Saturday, I may as well just show it. When we're celebrating 4th, I may show that room. Just for a little honor that I built, like what's in the room. Before I actually do it in the, I cannot complain. Dirt house. It's not dirt. How is it still upright? I mean, like, doesn't that not make any sense? Like sand? What is sand block? It will most likely fall. Why does dirt not fall? Well, anyways, dirt is kind of tougher than sand, so I think that's why you can make a dirt castle, and a sand castle needs some water because that's what makes it stiff. Yeah, so I guess that's the reason why. But first, we have to eat. Also, there are alarms. Oh my god, my inventory. Well, golden apples. No, safety measurements. And food. Tons of food. We need food. Oh, we need golden apples too? Also, in case, can you see my hunger bar and my health bar? Low. From last video. All from last video. And now, I have to fight zombies? Oh no. Also, I kind of do want to see something. This is so, I'm so scared. I'm going to take off, dude, is this a good idea? Like, I feel like it's a bad idea. At the same time, oh, it's like a one-hit thing. How much damage? It's gonna inflict. He's not attacking. Okay, that's weird. Okay, I'll just put my arm back on there. Just in case we just start attacking. I want to see how many hearts it takes away. Dude, that is so much. I don't like though that they drop fish. Yeah, I can just test this one out. Oh my goodness. This is actually a hog, and in case you don't know, you'll find this in the nether, and also they won't just give you, they won't take away half the heart. I'm telling you guys, they take away more than that. Actually, no, I don't even need these golden apples. Oh, he became a zombie. Oh. Also, in case you're not going, guys, zombie pigs, zombie hogs will actually eat fish. So don't keep them next to your fish bowl. Oh my god, it's disgusting. Can you see? Okay, I'm just telling you. No, you're not going to my fish. Which actually is kind of a long way back. Okay. Okay, this one, man. This one also is for sure going to do some damage. This is a zombie, but I've fought some zombies plenty of times before, man. Like, look at that. Easy. Let's try like tons and tons and tons. Tons and tons and tons and tons and tons and tons. Let's try loads of zombies. Only half a heart. I'll just kill him with my fist, you know? I'll just kill him with my fist. I don't even need a sword. I'll just kill him with my fist. Why not just kill him with my fist? Yeah, that sounds like a great idea. Killing him with my fist, nothing's gonna happen. And I also got armor, so it's not gonna deal too much damage. Oh, they're actually around me too much. Oh, I've fought some zombies before though. Yeah, it's easy. Just kill them all. Oh, there are tons more down here. Oh no. Oh jeez. Even though it's half a heart by time. And by time half a heart. Okay. No. This is not being. You're not gonna kill me. I just gotta eat. I gotta eat. Regain the hearts. Oh! Oh my god. Just swipe him. Swipe him. Okay, regain my heart. And now I'm in a big trouble with zombies. You know, third time's a charm? How about first time's a charm? Maybe? I really don't want to die, guys. I really don't. I'm not a big fan of this behavior. This takes a long time. Okay, that one zombie just took a long time to kill. Did you just knock out a torch? Hey! You killed my bird! You see, you made me kill my bird! They knocked me to half a heart. I'm just so shocked. This may be kind of a bit more than I can handle with the hands. That's why I have a sword. Yeah, it has knockback. Oi! Okay, well, I'm just gonna kill that one. Okay. See, he made me kill my bird. How dare he does. In case you don't know how I have this water bucket. In case I like fall. I'm pretty good at it. Oops. Okay, I just don't like it when I just get flown away. That's just not good. Also, my hand kind of hurts actually. So, yeah, my elbow kind of hurts or something like that. So, I just bought more. Oh, this one's actually got. Oh, I should have thought about health-wise. Now we're not gonna. Okay, he actually dropped something. Okay, it's okay. Okay, I have an idea. How about we give a zombie a bow before attacking it? If he grabs the bow, you guys not go. No, guys. For me, the bow breaks. But for the zombies, if I give the zombie a bow, the bow will never break. That's how you cannot make skeleton bows break. Want the zombie? Give him the bow. Fine. You don't want a bow. Really? I think only if I die, he'll take it. Okay, fine. Okay, just come on. I heard some. Oh, I just did it. I've seen some people. Like, let's try if this works. Wait, we need to get him a little bit far. Okay, it does not work. I was trying to. Okay, fine. Okay, I tried to jump, hit him. Ouch! Okay, mouse. Okay, I heard them say that. The baby zombies are kind of weird. They say things like mouse, May. Actually, in my school, the English teachers call Miss May, so yeah. And they say mouse, and they say May. It kind of sounds like Miss May, but it's not much. It's just mouse. So it's technically not Miss May. They're technically not trying to say Miss May. Also, people who made this thing, I'm sorry. Whoever likes the company, but whoever made the game, I really like them, but because I like Minecraft, I don't think they know Miss May. I mean, they probably know the school. The school's pretty famous. I don't think they know the teachers' names in the school. Health-wise. Dude, this is easy. Easy things are easy. Yeah. Also, when we get to the end, I'm thinking of using my. Oops. That was a bad one. Also, is my volume reduced? Whoops. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry. Why is my cursor shaking? What happened to my cursor? Oh boy, it's quite high. Okay, 33 is the exact good amount. It's a real good amount to be a 33. Oh! Zombie! What did a zombie get here? Ah, half a heart. It's two, oh, two hearts, 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 two hearts. Oh my god. Okay, so we need to put some things in the chest soon enough. Also, at the same time, we need to cook something, so yeah. So we need to do a few things. First of all, let's cook all this. Then we will see what else. Also, I like this area because, like, if someone's always cranking me, and I just had enough and want to crank him back, I can just put the crank in the kitchen, and when it comes to the kitchen, I literally see him. I literally see him through here. I literally just see him. So it's quite cool, right? Yeah. Oh. Yes. Yes. Right. Also, I have an idea to throw things away instead of putting them in the trash bin. Oopsies! I was very, very sorry about that, guys. Very, very sorry. But throw everything away. Here. Just throw everything away. Here, so. Yeah, throw. Keep throwing. Yes, I think kind of need it. Okay. I'm much of a food guy, so I'll keep the food. We don't need fence. We don't. Oops, we need lapis. If I'm going to enchant anything. Yeah, I'm not actually enchanting anything. Oh, I don't have a bow. Oh no, I don't have a bow. Why do I have the arrows? Oh yeah, I think I do. Actually. No, I forgot. My inventory is just tricking me. I do have a bow. What else do we need to like? Nothing. Nothing else. My stone's not that good. Yeah, that's the passcode. I think I said this in another video before. The password is 123456, and I also sent that video. Don't make your password 123456. That's not a very good password. Then people easily guess your password. Yeah. Oh, that's like only a new thing. Actually, I think a new 1234's password is Minecraft password is 1234, and Minecraft account is password. I think I don't play that Minecraft. That's different, completely different. I think it's 1234 as well. So all those things is just 1234. Unless it comes in its name too. New 1234. Girl 1234. Moment. Oh, I was just about to play it. Oh my god. Forgot. Do you like it? You like it? Hope you don't get dizzy. Like it? Okay. I usually keep the CD in there, so I figure I don't have to hold it. Also, I said that I have something. Yeah. Okay, 1022 will be quite a long time. Yeah. So I'm thinking of just showing it now, but we actually got panels too. Yeah. So here's my bow. Also keep the other arrows I've got. Can keep them back. Oh wow. Oh wow. I have been using my pickaxe for a long time. Mainly because I'm scared of also, I don't know what's happening to my cursor. Okay. So I'll just show you now. And there's also oh my god. I just forgot something. Okay. Okay. This is an easy thing to forget. The coal. There's coal.